Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make legendary waffles. First, gather your ingredients. Combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold the wet into the dry ingredients until just combined. Let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's master the cooking process. Preheat your waffle iron to medium-high heat. This ensures even cooking and a beautiful golden crust. Lightly grease the iron with butter or cooking spray before pouring each batch of batter. Use about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter per waffle, depending on your iron's size. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle is perfectly golden brown and wonderfully crispy. The secret to legendary crispness lies in a few key steps. Resist the urge to open the waffle iron too early. Let the steam do its work. Once cooked, immediately transfer your waffles to a wire rack. This allows air to circulate, preventing them from becoming soggy. Never stack hot waffles, as the trapped steam will soften them. For an even crispier finish, you can briefly toast them in a toaster before serving. Finally, it's time to enjoy your legendary waffles. Serve them immediately with warm maple syrup. Elevate your experience with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Don't be afraid to explore savory options like fried chicken or a perfectly poached egg. If you have any leftovers, simply freeze them and reheat in a toaster for a quick and delicious breakfast anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.